You've tried everything to stabilize your blood sugar but reached dead ends. Eliminating sugar? Done. Medication? Tried it. Even exchanged soda for green juice. But your blood sugar? It still fluctuates like a pendulum. Here's an unprecedented twist for you. Some fruits, yes fruits, can actively assist in lowering your blood sugar. Sounds insane, right? You are instructed to avoid sugar in all its forms, most preferably fruit. But science begs to differ. It's not only about the glycemic index, which we will explain later. It's more about the entire nutrient package working together. Fiber, antioxidants, polyphenols to slow down sugar spikes and enhance insulin sensitivity. Stick around, those fruits might just become your new secret weapon. We've been taught to see sugar as the villain responsible for everything wrong in the world. Extreme measures, trying to eat fewer carbs, intensely scrutinizing food labels, and eliminating sweets for sugar-free sweets. But let's be real, here's the truth. It isn't only about sugar. We should focus on scientific breakthroughs. The glycemic index, or GI, measures the rate at which a particular food increases your blood sugar levels, with a score between 0 and 100. However, there's one major flaw. It lacks consideration of portion size. That's where the glycemic load, or GL, steps in. It incorporates both the GI and serving size for a more accurate assessment of food's impact on the body. Again, this is just part of the overall picture. I understand you're eager to know about the fruits that you should eat. But let's first explain why vitamins, antioxidants, fiber, and polyphenols also make a huge difference. These valuable contents of your food stealth activities increase insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and even prolong the energy production from glucose. There come the fruits having low to moderate GI, but loaded with fiber and bioactive substances. These fruits, apparently looking less diabetes-friendly, actually fight the efforts to spike blood sugar levels and damage done by high blood sugars. Does it sound pleasant if it tells you that fruit is no more terrible for your blood sugar? So, let's get to know our first punch of health for diabetics. Guava, the underrated glucose guard, is not extravagant. It doesn't boast with its own Instagram fame like acai or dragon fruit. However, it is guava that outperforms most of them. To start with, guava has a low glycemic index that ranges between 12 and 24 based on its ripeness, which is remarkably low. Then, it has a glycemic index that ranks low on the scale, hardly between 12 and 24 depending on the stage of ripeness, 12 to 24 being alarmingly low. This means that guava causes a minimal and gradual increase in blood glucose levels. Guava contains soluble dietary fiber, approximately 5.4 grams per every 100 grams, more than most of your fiber-infused snacks. It almost seems as though guava was made to be part of some fancy dieting plan. The fiber binds with water in the stomach and forms a gel-like material that fuels steady sugar levels in the body and further slows the sugar reaching the receptors. But this is not the end. What's coming is the most surprising and least known thing about guava. A single serving of 100 grams of guava is loaded with over 228 milligrams of vitamin C. This quantity is far higher than that of famous diabetic snacks such as oranges. Such a high amount of natural and highly bioavailable vitamin C boosts your immune system and helps with the detoxification of your body. Not only this, researchers have also linked vitamin C to enhanced blood vessel lining gentility and improved insulin sensitivity. Last but not the least, guava contains a powerful antioxidant, lycopene, and other polyphenols that fight against inflammation and oxidative stress, the two major culprits that cause insulin resistance type 2 diabetes. Wanna know some more unbelievable guava facts? A clinical trial published in Nutrition and Metabolism revealed that drinking guava tea reduced the participants' blood pressure even during their fasting periods by affecting their cholesterol levels. The additional metabolic support proves to be the cherry on top for people with type 2 diabetes. Even more interesting fact is that in Japan, guava leaf tea has been approved as foods for specified health uses, and it's commercially sold. Yeah, you got another health secret from the Japanese. So I urge you to incorporate guava in your daily diet, as this fruit also has amazing health benefits for people dealing with insulin resistance. Just like guava can be your guardian on your health journey, you can put your trust on blueberries too. Blueberries, the tiny yet hardy defenders, have got to play a unique role towards restoring your health caused by type 2 diabetes. These good things in small packages with only 57 calories in 100 gram serving are full of a special antioxidant known as anthocyanins that resides in the blue color of the berries. These antioxidants have been found to improve your insulin sensitivity to a great extent. This antioxidant helps your body to overcome oxidative stress and inflammation, the two contributors of insulin resistance. Don't take my word. Look into the results of a study appearing in the Journal of National Institute of Health that highlighted how daily consumption of blueberry powder improved insulin resistance by lowering the blood sugar levels in humans. Questioning your wits. Now, let's get more by paying our attention to another tiny powerhouse in the fight against type 2 diabetes: blueberries. Pomegranate, the huge packet filled with red pearls of health, is unique due to its punicalagin, ellagic acid, and ursolic acid profile. These three antioxidants have been found to be extremely potent due to a number of studies. An independent studies from Chinese researchers found the mighty punicalagin, a bioactive compound abundant in pomegranates, can reduce inflammation. Besides this, it also helps improve blood vessel function by affecting their lining positively. So what happens? Your blood sugar is better controlled. Not only this, but your heart function also improves. This means punicalagin alone addresses two big concerns related to type 2 diabetes: the blood glucose levels and heart health. Hold your seats as we reveal other findings about blueberries that will blow your mind. Citing research published in the Science Direct, the pomegranate's true metabolic strengths have been revealed. The science have found that regular incorporation of pomegranate into your daily routine can significantly reduce fasting blood glucose and increase insulin levels and HbA1c. HOMA-IR, or homeostatic model assessment of insulin resistance, a well-known indicator of insulin resistance, also reflected these improvements. All that said, we've got you happy and confirmed news that incorporating pomegranate can be highly effective for type 2 diabetes. Have these revelations been eye-opening for you? Wait, the miracle fruit pomegranate has to do a lot of positive things for your health. Pomegranate consumption boosts GLUT4 activity in your body. Glucose transporter type 4, also known as GLUT4, is a protein that plays a crucial role in glucose metabolism. It also blocks the intestinal enzymes that increase blood sugar levels. Ultimately, you have reduced the amount of sugar into your bloodstream. Until now, you must be praising pomegranate. But what if we tell you that you're going to adore it? Yes, pomegranate also does another wonder to your body. It stimulates PPARY, a receptor that is instrumental in blood glucose control as well as fat metabolism. This means, despite not being your med-prescribed drug, pomegranate is nothing less than a life-saving drug if incorporated in your diet regularly and in the right quantity. So next time when you see gems of pomegranate shining in your bowl loaded with so many antioxidants and vitamin K and B complexes, remember, Aside from being a mouth-watering delight, it is an ally in your diabetes management arsenal, but you must eat it in moderation, as one serving of 100 grams of seeds contains 83 calories. Along with the numerous benefits of these superfruits, how you eat them makes a difference. Be mindful about the portion size. One guava a day, a few blueberries, or half a pomegranate can be enough to offer the health benefits that we've shared with you. It's also crucial to consume them whole or sliced rather than juicing. The reason is, as soon as you reduce the fiber content of your power packets, they lose some of their healthy qualities. You can pair them with healthy fats or protein such as nuts or cheese. Doing so can help stabilize the release of sugar, helping your body process it more gently without those sugar peaks. So, can something so sweet be safe for blood sugar? Yes, as long as you eat them moderately and properly balanced. Now, which other health tips do you have?